In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a customer quote or estimate in Xero using the 2025 interface. Let's get started right from the Xero dashboard. Once you're logged in, look for the main menu along the top of the screen. Find the option labeled Business or Sales, depending on how your layout appears. Click on Sales. This is where Xero keeps everything related to money coming into your business, including invoices, quotes, and customer information. It's helpful to remember that anytime you're dealing with offers or proposals to customers, you'll usually start here. After you've opened the sales section, you'll see several tabs or options. Look for the one called Quotes and click on it. This area is dedicated to all of your customer quotes and estimates. Here, you can see existing quotes, check their status, and track which ones have been accepted, declined, or are still awaiting a response. If you're managing a lot of potential jobs or projects, this list view can be really useful for staying organized. Now that you're in the quotes section, you're ready to create a new one. Look for a button that says New Quote. It's usually positioned near the top right of the page. Go ahead and click on New Quote. This opens a fresh quote template where you'll enter all the details for your customer. Think of this as the starting point for turning an inquiry into a sale. On the new quote screen, you'll see fields for your customer and the quote details. First, choose the customer from the drop-down list. If they're not in your system yet, you can add them as a new contact. Then set the date of the quote and an expiry date, so the customer knows how long the pricing is valid. Next, fill in the reference or quote number if needed, and add a clear description in the title or summary so your customer understands what the quote is for. In the line item section, enter each product or service you're offering. Add a description, quantity, unit price, and the correct account and tax settings. Take a moment to double check your figures and any discount you might be applying. You can also add notes or terms at the bottom to explain payment expectations or special conditions. Once everything looks correct, scroll down and click on Save. This records the quote in Xero. From here, you'll be able to email it to your customer, print it, or come back later to convert it into an invoice once it's accepted.